Hey Daniel, Dean here at Tameron Hyundai, 1 mile up from the Galleria, here in the heart of beautiful Hoover, Alabama. I want to thank you for your interest on the Hyundai line. I've got a great selection of pre-owned Hyundais, anywhere from the Genesis to the Velosters. We've also got a great selection of SUVs, which is right behind my cameraman here. But the best thing about this is how much you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai. Daniel, give me a call. I'm at 205-380-6250, or my cell phone number is 205-401-5511. I want you to give me a call. We can see what you're looking for in your vehicle. I'm going to take really good care of you before, during, and after the sale. 205-401-5511, because you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.